Welcome to Photoshop Quick and Easy Tips to level up your design skills. Photoshop Tutorial, Beginner Series, Episode 5, Quick Selection Tool. Hey designers, let's talk about making selections quickly. Today's star is the Quick Selection Tool. Press W on your keyboard or find the Quick Selection tool in the toolbar. It looks like a brush with a dotted circle. To use it, just click and drag over the part of the image you want to select. Photoshop will try to guess the edges automatically. You can add to your selection by continuing to drag or subtract by holding Alt Option and brushing over the extra parts. Want Photoshop to do the work for you? Go to the top menu. Select Greater Than Subject. Photoshop uses AI to identify the main object, great for portraits and product shots. Pro tip: once you have a selection, you can turn it into a mask or a new layer by right-clicking and choosing Layer via Copy or clicking the mask icon in the Layers panel. Quick, clean, and super useful. In the next episode, we'll talk about adding and styling text using the Type tool. Disclaimer: I'm not a Photoshop expert or certified instructor. All tutorials in this channel are based on my personal experience, learning, and practice. I share these tips to help fellow beginners like me. Please feel free to explore more and use what works best for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.